Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we will show you how to replace the griddle heater on a Rangemaster cooker. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If your griddle element is damaged or not getting hot, it is likely to be faulty and should be replaced. Start by taking the screws out of the vent at the back and removing it. Then remove the griddle cover, the heat reflector, and the two screws in the top panel next to the griddle. Slide the top to the left to release, and raise the rear edge to access the griddle connections and fixings. Disconnect the two wires on the element, then remove the element fixing screws. Fit the spacers, washers and nuts to the new element and reconnect the wiring. Finally, reassemble the cooker, set the clock and test the circuit. Note, new elements can smoke a little at first as any surface contamination burns off. This is normal. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.